everybody, my name is Ashley Hay. I'm a mixed media artist and today I'm here to talk with you about rusty powder from Powertex Art Supplies. I love the idea of memory in my artwork, working with rust and relics and lost and found. I really enjoy creating layers of rust effects in my artwork. So in terms of using rusty powder, what is it? What will it do for you in your artwork? Rusty powder will give you a very realistic rust effect on your artwork, as you can see in some of these pieces. In addition to the rusty powder, you will also need Powertex Ultimate Medium. So a must-have for working with the rusty powder is the transparent Powertex and ivory Powertex. Essentially, you're going to mix the rusty powder with a light coloured Powertex. So the Powertex might be Powertex Ivory, as I've already said, but you could lighten up some other colours of Powertex, such as your blue Powertex, with your ivory and then use the rusty powder with that. You want to add around about 25% rusty powder and make it into quite a mousy grey colour. Once you've done that, you also want to activate it with some vinegar. So that's really, really important. So having that white vinegar on hand to spray into your rusty powder to really activate it and get it going rusty. This is not an instant process. You do have to wait overnight to see what you've got. And it's also fabulous to have some easy structure or modelling paste close at hand and your 3D sand and balls starter pack, because there is just so much fun to be had in terms of creating the different rust surfaces with the different mediums. But it is so much fun and I love working with it, and I know you'll love working with it too once you start to play. So I have done a lot with faux rust effects, and you'll find that there is an online workshop that I've done on how to create rust effects with Powertex Art Supplies. I have also done another video on how to use rusty powder, which will give you a lot more practical information. So get your rusty powder kit today from Powertex Australia and enjoy creating. Ciao for now.